Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a language that has revolutionized the software industry with its write once, run anywhere philosophy, that is Java, and it remains a cornerstone for building robust, secure, and scalable enterprise applications. Do you know that as we sit here, Java is running on over 3 billion devices worldwide, from the smartphone in your pocket to the enterprise servers powering global banks. Java is the silent engine of the modern digital world. Today, we begin our session into this powerful platform independent language. What is Java? Java is a high level, object oriented programming language particularly designed for its simplicity, portability, security, and reliability. High level language in the sense it is human readable, similar to English like language. No need to manage memory manually like in C or C++. For example, consider a simple print statement in Java. It is easy to understand when compared to other low-level languages like assembly language. Next, Java is platform independent. That is, it follows write once, run everywhere policy. Java is developed by Sun Microsystems. Java programs are compiled into bytecode. Bytecode runs on Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM. In the sense, we can write the program on Windows and we can run that program in on Linux or other Mac without any changes. So it is called platform independent. Java is widely used in banking systems, e-commerce websites, Android apps, and enterprise software applications. In real-world usage, it is used in ATM systems, online shopping, that is Amazon-like platforms. Next, features of Java. Simple and easy. The first one is it is designed with clear syntax, beginner friendly while powerful enough for complex projects. That is, it removes complex features like pointers and overloading. It is easier for beginners with less programming errors. And the next feature is object oriented. So Java is based on OOPS concept in the sense everything revolves around objects and classes. The benefit of OOPS concept is code reusability, better organization, and easy maintenance. And the next feature is platform independent. So platform independent means write once and run everywhere. That is, it uses Java virtual machine to run bytecode, no dependency on operating systems. This is the biggest advantage of the Java programming language. And the next feature is secure and robust. Built-in security features and strong memory management prevent common programming errors. That is, it uses bytecode verification and garbage collection to prevent memory leaks and unauthorized access. It needs no direct memory access. That is why Java is called best, secure, and robust language. And the next feature is multi-threading. Executes multiple tasks simultaneously for efficient program performance. For example, downloading plus playing music at the same time. And the next feature is high performance. Just-time compilation delivers fast execution speed when compared to other native codes. It is faster than traditional interpreted languages. Next, this diagram depicts the architecture of the Java. Java enables cross-platform compatibility through three-layer architecture. The three layers are JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and JDK, Java Development Kit. Java Virtual Machine, it is the core layer. It executes bytecode on the host platform. It converts into machine-specific instruction and enables platform independence. And the next middle layer is JRE. It provides libraries and runtime components. It provides environment to run Java programs because it includes libraries and JVM. And the next outer layer is JDK. It is used by the developers to write programs. It includes compilers, debuggers, and tools for running Java programs. Without JDK, we cannot develop any Java programs. The flow of the Java program, like Java code and then compiler and then bytecode and Java virtual machine, and finally the output is produced. Next, object oriented concepts. So this is the most important concept in Java programming language. So OOP is a programming paradigm in Java that organizes software design around objects, real-world entities that contains both data and behavior. The first OOPS concept is classes and objects. Classes defines blueprints while objects represent specific instances. That is, it has unique identity, state and behavior of its class. For example, consider a class car. So the objects created for the class car is BMW, Audi, etc. like that. So it represents real world instances. And the next feature of object oriented programming is inheritance. It allows subclasses to inherit properties and methods from superclass. It promotes the concept of code reusability and it avoids duplication. This is the most important advantage of using inheritance in Java. The next feature is polymorphism. Polymorphism allows single action to behave differently through method overloading and method overriding. That is compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. That is same method, it behaves differently. So this is the concept behind the polymorphism. The next object oriented concept is encapsulation. That is binding up of data and methods together into a single unit, hiding internal state using private fields and public getters and setters. The main advantage of encapsulation is data security. And the next feature is abstraction. Abstraction hides complex implementation details and it shows only features essential that via abstract class and interfaces. The best example of abstraction is ATM machine. That is, user does not know anything about what is happening inside the machine. So these are the basic OOPS concepts. This slide represents or shows an example of the Java program. This program is a simple program that prints hello world on the console. So first class. So it is blueprint for creating object, and the method main, it is an entry point where the program execution begins here, and the system.out.println statement, it is used to output text to the console. So this is the basic Java program that every beginner should start with it. Then applications of Java. So here I have depicted some of the applications of Java programming language. It has many applications around worldwide. I have listed here some of the basic applications of Java. The first one is web application. So Java finds many applications almost in all fields. The first field is web application. So the technology used in web application is Java Spring, Servlets and JSPs. With the help of these technologies, we can develop any web applications. For example, mostly it is used in banking websites and e-commerce websites. And the next application of the Java is mobile application, building Android applications for millions of smartphones worldwide. So it is primary language for Android developers. For example, the apps, WhatsApp and Instagram backend parts are developed with the help of this language. And the next important application is desktop software, that is creating a cross-platform desktop applications with rich user interface. JavaFX and Swing are the technologies used to develop desktop applications. The example of the desktop applications are calculator apps and text editors. And the next application is enterprise systems, running large-scale business systems and backend infrastructure using Java language. The best example of enterprise system is used in banks, airlines and government systems. And the next important application is gaming. So developing games and interactive entertainment experiences. It is used in developing a simple and 2D games for entertainment. And another one of the application of Java is embedded systems, powering smart devices and IoT applications. So it is used in smart TVs and IoT devices. A lot of applications are available and developed using the Java language. I have listed here some of the applications. Next, we'll see about what are the advantages and disadvantages of the Java programming language. So write once, run anywhere on any platform. It is the most biggest advantage of the Java programming language, that is platform independence. So built-in security features, protection against vulnerabilities. Next, it provides vast community. It provides an extensive support and resources. So rich ecosystem of libraries and framework, automatic memory management, and it prevents leaks of the memory. So these are some of the advantages of the Java programming language, and there is also some disadvantages. So it is slower in execution when compared to C++ for some of the tasks, not for all tasks. When comparing to C++, for some tasks, the execution will be very slow. High memory consumption affects performance, and complex system syntax for beginners learning programming. This and larger program in size increases deployment requirements. So why Java matters? So why we are preferring Java language and why we are using Java? Because it is powerful and versatile. From mobile apps to enterprise systems, Java powers application across all scales and industries. And then real world applications. It is used by major companies like Google, Amazon and Netflix to build mission critical software and career foundation. Strong Java skills open doors to software engineering, Android development, and backend roles, and continuously evolving. Regular updates from Oracle ensures Java stays modern with new features and improvements. It shows industry demand more. Thank you. We appreciate your time and attention today for watching this lecture. Thank you one and all.